In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an SMTP key in Brevo step by step, so let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Brevo and hit enter. From the results, click on the official Brevo website, which should be the first link. Once the site loads, you'll be taken to the login or sign up page. If you're new to Brevo, click Sign Up Free and enter your email, password, and other required details to create a free account. If you already have an account, go ahead and click Log In to access your dashboard. After logging in, look to the top right corner of your dashboard where you'll see your organization's name. Click on it. Then select SMTP and API from the drop-down menu. Now you're on the SMTP settings page. At the top right, click on Generate a new SMTP key. You'll be prompted to give your key a name, enter something descriptive so you can recognize it later. Once you've named it, click Generate. Brevo will then create a unique SMTP key just for you. Be sure to copy and save this key somewhere secure. You'll need it for future use. If you ever lose it, you'll have to create a new one. After copying the key, click OK. And there you have it. Your SMTP key is now ready to use. You can find it listed in your dashboard under the SMTP section. That's it for this tutorial on setting up an SMTP key in Brevo. Thank you for watching this video.